In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create color palettes for a design system in Figma. If you're working on a design system and want to make sure your products have consistent and aesthetically pleasing colors, this tutorial will be perfect for you. We'll be breaking it down into simple steps, so let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Figma, which is known for being a powerful collaborative interface design tool. If you already have your account ready, go ahead and click on the login button. If not, take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page of Figma. This is your starting point for accessing all your team files, recent projects, and much more. Now let's get into the actual design part. From the home screen, look for the design section. It's a friendly place where your creativity can flow, and you have all your design resources at your fingertips. Click there to open up the design interface. Here you'll see all the tools you would need to start creating and organizing your design elements. Next, you'll want to access the Action section. You'll find various features and tools there that will assist you in the design process. Click on Action to open it. Thinking about a consistent color scheme is crucial, and this step will move us towards building one in Figma. After clicking on Action, you'll want to search for Color Palette. This search is crucial as it sets the stage for us to build the foundation of a well-structured color environment. Type Color Palette into the search bar and you should see options appear related to creating and managing color collections. Select Color Palettes from the list. Clicking on it will open a feature specifically designed to help you generate or organize your color selections. It's incredibly useful for maintaining style and consistency across multiple projects. You'll rely heavily on it to flesh out vibrant and harmonized color selections that maintain visual unity. Finally, run the color palette tool by clicking on Run. It will automate the process of generating color combinations or opening up a workspace for you to manually create your palettes. Running the tool might take a moment, but soon enough you'll see a set of colors that adhere to your design principles and brand requirements. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating and utilizing color palettes in Figma for your design systems. Following these steps will ensure you have a streamlined process and consistent results, helping your designs stand out with professional grade color schemes. I hope you found this instructional guide helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with colors and happy designing.